Unboxing S9. So just a basic unboxing, nothing special, but so you guys can see how it is. So it is with, I guess, yes, 64 gigs of memory, 4 GB RAM. This one got wireless charger option, which is good. 8 megapixel camera, that's selfie camera, so an autofocus, which is good. Quad HD plus AMOLED screen. That should be pretty good mobile phone, no? Let's open it up. Not really a knife around, so tweezers will do. It's very hard to record with one hand and do stuff with another one. The box looks very nice, looks like sort of poshy. Nice, gently. This is the mobile phone. Camera. Let's see what else there is. Same story. USB. Samsung travel adapter. USB-C. Headphones. Should be on. So let's go with this. It feels very nice. Let's see, will it turn on? Oh no, this one is empty. Let me put it on a charge for a bit. Be back shortly. Okay, I managed to get some charge. Look at this. Hey, how nice it feels. It feels very nice in the hand. And it's very fast. Okay. Okay. It does make some nice photos. Okay, let's try with something else. Oh my god. No. Okay. Make clicking portrait. It's a live focus pro photo. This one does not have portrait mode. Or maybe that should go by live focus now. Selective focus. Not a big difference, no. Let's see if I'm a bit more. Yeah, pretty good. Then you can adjust. No, very blurry. Yeah, very good. Anyway, as we discussed, let's see the settings. No, actually, oh my god, there is only 2% battery. So it was 7. It went on 2. So maybe it need to get fully charged, but 5% went pretty fast. It says it will last 30 minutes. So yeah, 64 gigs, 4 gigs. However, this one has a bit more available memory than S8, because S8 has still 4, but available memory should be on 1.7. This one available, it's on 2.3. And then if you delete other stuff, okay, that went less. Anyhow, I just unboxed it for you, and you decide if you wanna buy one or no.